Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Philosopher. So after updating your Windows 10 to latest version, as you can see, there is an update here in the taskbar. There is a news and interest option here in the taskbar. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove this news and interest from your taskbar. So if you have latest version of 20H on or 21H on, this will be showing in the taskbar here. So to remove this, you just need to click in the taskbar here, and you will see a option here, news and interest option here. Then you will see a option called turn off option here. So you just have to click turn off here, and as you can see, it's removed from the taskbar or turn off from the taskbar the news and interest widgets. So if you want to turn it on again, you just have to click on the taskbar and go to the news and interest and just click on show icon and text, and it will turn back on. So that's it guys, this is how you turn off or turn on the news and interest widgets in your taskbar in Windows 10. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.